Hi, I'm Rony. Do you always translate from your native language to English before speaking? So that is the main reason you get to start or speak slowly. So if you want to become a fluent speaker or if you want to speak fluently, then you need to think instantly in English. So in this video, I will tell you how you can start thinking English easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first, we need to know why translation is a problem. When you translate in your head, your brain works too much. At first you think in a native language, then you try to find the English word, and after that you worry about it's wrong or right. So that's a lot for your brain to handle in just a few seconds. So if you want to speak fluently and naturally, then you need to think instantly in English. For example, instead of thinking I'm খেতে যাচ্ছি, just instantly think in English I'm going to eat. No translation anymore, just English. Start with small and easy words. Wherever you are, look around and name these things in English, like fan, table, chair, door, window. And do this while you walking, eating, or sitting anytime. Now go on a step ahead. Make short and simple sentences in your head. Just like I'm sitting on a chair, my phone is on the table, it's a hot day. So that's how your brain starts thinking naturally in English. You speak about your daily life in English. When you do something, try saying it in English. For example, I'm washing my face, I'm wearing my shirt, and I'm reading newspaper. And talk to yourself like a friend. Ask yourself, what should I do now? Oh, I'm feeling sleepy. I need to watch the English video. Self-talk is the best practice to build fluency in your mind. Learn phrases, not just words. Most learners focus too much on vocabulary, but this is the biggest problem because words alone are not enough. Learn through simple sentences. Don't just learn go mean Java. Instead, learn with a full sentence like I wanna go there, let's go for a walk. When you know phrases, you don't need to build sentences every time. You can use them just like ready tools. Use your imagination in English. Close your eyes and imagine your real life situation. Let's say you are in a shop and think like this: I want 2 kilos of rice. How much is this? This is too expensive. So visual the things and speak English words. The more you imagine in English, the faster your mind adapts. Surround yourself with English all day. Make English a part of your life. Change your phone language to English. Watch English videos and watch videos with subtitle if needed. Write a small diary entry every night or even write 3 or 4 lines daily. Like I studied today, I was tired. I learned some new vocabulary today. It trains your brain to live in English, not just learn. So let's quickly review everything. Don't translate, think directly in English. Learn name of object around you in English. Say about your daily routine in English. Practice short sentence through self-talk. Learn useful phrases, not just words. Use your imagination to create real English thoughts. Make English a part of your daily routine. So if this video helped you, then like this video and subscribe to watch more another English lessons. See you in the next video.